Okay, so how do we think about looking at this thing? Well, you turn, we turn to the right, and now I'm looking at it, and what hits my eye first? The B, right? B hits my eye first, and then A is further in the back. So B would be on a wedge, and A would be on a dash. Now, it's also important to think about where will B be in this six-membered ring, right? Will it be on the right-hand side up here, or will it be on the left? Well, if I'm looking at it and then I swing around to the right, B is going to be on my right-hand side, right? So B is going to be like back here. The diene will be up here. The dienophile is back here. This is my right hand, right? So B and A, the stereocenter that has B and A on it, will be on my right-hand side when I'm looking from this way. Everybody with me on this? Making sense? So basically all of that was to justify drawing this. Does that make sense how I came to that conclusion? Based on looking at the transition state? Great. Excellent. And then the double bond. So again, dienophile is back here. Diene is up here. That means that the double bond, the new double bond in the product, which is going to be here, right, will be on my left because the diene is in the front, and that gets the new double bond. Bada bing. Sweetness. All right. Once you get one of the stereocenters down, it's basically like you're a machine from there. It should be. So B and C are pointing in the same direction, so C will be on a wedge for the same reason that B was. And then G is pointing the same direction as B. G will be on a wedge. H on a dash. And E is pointing the same direction as, F, is pointing the same direction as C. And E is going back. And boom, there's our 4 stereocenters. So again, this idea of lay down the transition state, make sure you get everything right as far as endo-exo, and then envision moving around to the side and looking at things and seeing what would your eye hit first. So for E, F, G, and H, I did the exact same thing as I did for B, C, A, and D, right? I moved around and I said, okay, what's going to hit my eye first? Well, G is going to hit my eye first, so it's on a wedge up top. F is going to hit my eye first, so it's on a wedge on bottom. And then E and H will be on dashes.